Hello guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up PocketPal AI in mobile. So first thing you have to do is go open up your Play Store, Apple Store, and you're going to search for PocketPal. And once you search for PocketPal AI, you're going to click on install. Once installed, you open up the app. So once you open up the app, you're going to get a welcome, and it's just going to literally show you around how the app works and stuff. You can click on skip, and you're going to see this where it says download model. Click on download model, sorry, and it's going to show you available to download. You click on that and you're going to see different models available to download. So you can just pick on the first one, which is Gemal 31B. Click on that and you can see the MB it is for. This is about 800 MB and this is also for 200 MB. And so I'm just going to download this, and you're going to wait for a while to actually let it download. So once it's downloaded, what is completed, we'll come back. So let's wait for it to download. So it just finished downloading. So you're going to see load. Click on load, and once it's loaded, we're just going to ask it questions. Let's see. Let's just ask it. Let me just delete this because I previously asked it. So let's just say, what is a noun, right? And let's see how fast and if it's going to get the correct answer. So wow, you actually got the correct answer. So I'm just going to cut it short. I'm going to ask, who is the current president of United States of USA? And let's see. Okay, it's wasting. Okay, it's taking a lot of time though, but it has answered and it said Joe Biden. Joe Biden. How is it Joe Biden? Gosh. So you can just know that this your model. The model you downloaded has the training has not been completed or it has not been updated. So you just have to go back and actually try to download more higher model. You can see the one of 800 MB. You can try to download that one and try it out. So this is literally how to set up your PocketPal AI. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.